Hey everyone, this is Rosemary Jane. I'm with the Learning Technologies team for Cincinnati Public Schools IT department, and I'm here with my first in a series of Tech Talk Tidbits. All right, that's a mouthful, and I have had to retake this once already. My first tip today is to make sure that you are using the Chrome browser. You can use it on a Mac or PC, but I do recommend you use Google Chrome to do most of your work. When you're using Google Chrome, make sure you're signed in and syncing to the Chrome web browser. So you can check up here on your profile. If it's a Head and Shoulders, you're probably not signed in. It might just be your initial. But you just click on the little icon next to the three dot menu, and you should see that your account is signed in at your CPS BOE account and sync is on. So make sure you are signed in and syncing to Chrome. Now, my Tech Talk tidbit for today is using Clever. The reason I wanted to make sure I was signed on and syncing is because when you do, that opens the extensions, and we have pushed out Read and Write and Clever to all of our district staff and students. So you look right here, the Clever icon, click it. It takes you straight in. You don't need to log in because you're already signed in and syncing with Chrome. Now that I'm in my Clever page, I can see all of the applications in the district, all of them that I need to to do my job, my employee district links, like to get into my email or to get into my Tri-House Wellness dollars, all of that stuff. I like to favorite mine. So, like right here, I have favorited Power School Teacher, Business Plus to get my pay stub, Try Health to get my free wellness dollars, Launch Ed to register for different PDs, Schoology, Flipgrid, WeVideo. One that I want to show you today, just got off a phone call with somebody talking about Brain Pop. You might have seen from Jenny Williams that Brain Pop is now free to the whole district. We've added it to Clever, so I'm going to favorite this one right here. And now it appears up here in my favorites. You probably want to keep your favorites to one or two rows, but anything that you see that you routinely use, you can just favorite and it'll appear at the top. So let's imagine that I want to favorite this one as well. Okay. So I showed you how to favorite them, and you can now see that next time I log in, I can even close it out. I just click on Clever. Actually, I clicked it twice, so it opened twice. Clicked on Clever. I am in, and my favorites are right there. No more digging or hunting for applications. It takes me to the correct login screen based on my role. This works for all of our students too. So be sure to share this Tech Talk tidbit with them as well. They can also favorite their applications that they use most. Now, I'd love to teach you more about your classes and accessing your students, and all sorts of things that are available in your Clever accounts. But honestly, what I recommend the most for teachers is that you just join the Clever Academy. You can look for it on Google and take their self-paced PD. We've been getting lots of great feedback about it. You can report those contact hours to us in our tech certification course and earn contact hours from our team as well. So today's Tech Talk tidbit was make sure you are signed in and syncing to Chrome browser, and that you use Clever to access your district links. So that's what I have for you today. I hope you find this helpful, and I hope you find this little bite-sized bit of PD easy to chew and digest. Thanks so much. Bye.